There's a sound that shakes the pavement long before you see it. A deep, thunderous growl rolling over the horizon. It's not a Hellcat. It's not even a V8. But it might just be the most controversial, exciting, and unapologetically bold muscle car of the decade. This is a 2025 Dodge Charger Sixpack, and it's red hot in more ways than one. Welcome back to the channel where passion meets precision, and where we don't just review cars, we live them. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that's tearing up the rulebook and torching the expectations of purists and futurists alike. The new Charger Sixpack is here, and it's rewriting what it means to drive American muscle in the 21st century. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Yes, it's a straight six. No, it's not sacrilege. This isn't your grandfather's Charger, nor is it clinging to the fading embers of the V8 era. The heart of the Sixpack is Stellantis Hurricane 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, tuned for over 500 horsepower in high-output form. And let me tell you, this engine doesn't whisper nostalgia. It screams performance. Mash the throttle, and the Charger Sixpack launches with authority. The turbos spool fast, delivering torque like a tidal wave, broad, relentless, and startlingly smooth. Dodge's engineers have worked black magic on the throttle response. There's none of the lag you'd expect from a boosted six. It feels raw, immediate, and alive. Paired with the new all-wheel drive architecture, the Charger claws into the pavement and rockets forward with a confidence that V8 rear drivers of old could only dream about. Outside, the red paint is more than a color, it's a statement. The new Charger's design blends retro cues with futuristic aggression. The LED light bar screams through the night like a silent war machine, while the fastback roofline, flared arches, and menacing stance give the presence of a modern-day street warrior. Dodge didn't play it safe. They leaned in, and the result is a car that looks like it eats Teslas for breakfast and sips premium while watching the world burn. Slide inside, and you're met with an interior that finally feels like it belongs in this decade. Alcantara, leather, brushed aluminum. It's tactile, intuitive, and tech-forward without feeling sterile. The massive digital cluster and Uconnect screen are responsive and cleanly integrated. But the real story is the driving position. Low, focused, snug. You feel like you're part of the car. This isn't just about going fast. It's about feeling connected. But here's where things get real. The Charger Sixpack isn't just about quarter-mile times or horsepower numbers. It's about evolution. It's about daring to reimagine what muscle means. While other brands play it safe, Dodge has lit the fuse on a new kind of firepower. Hybrid tech and electrification are coming, but right now, with the Sixpack, they're giving enthusiasts one last glorious chapter of internal combustion. A howling, turbocharged war cry. Is it perfect? Of course not. Some will mourn the loss of the Hemi. Others will question its price, or its weight, or its identity. But that's the point. The 2025 Charger Sixpack isn't built to please everyone. It's built to challenge assumptions, to punch through the noise, and to pave the road ahead with a 500 horsepower middle finger to conformity. So, what do you think? Is the Sixpack the future of American muscle, or just a bold detour on the way to electrification? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love cars that stir the soul and demand attention, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and share this video with someone who still believes driving should be felt, not just done. Until next time, keep your hands on the wheel, your eyes on the road, and your heart in the red line.